let me tell you the difference between scissors and Tailor shears. These are scissors and these are Tailor shears. And this is a lot more obvious on this one, why it's a Tailor shear than this one. See if you can spot the difference. Well, this one sits flat along the bottom there, so that when you cut, your scissors can stay nice and flat to the table as you cut. These scissors won't do that. You've got to dig into your fabric, and if you use scissors like this, what will happen is you'll end up with jaggedy edges. So let me show you. So if I cut with these, I've got to lift off, but I've just dug into the table there and damaged the paper. Whereas with these scissors, the scissors can glide along the table and not dig into my fabric and cause damage. And these again, these dig in a little bit, and these again are a lot flatter, aren't they? So out of the three, I suppose these are the best ones, but I use these for paper.